Today's topic of discussion, hematoxylin. What is hematoxylin? Hematoxylin is most widely used dye in histotechnology. It will stain tissue component. What are the tissue components such as myelin, elastic and collagenous fiber, muscle straight action, then mitochondria and so on. So this one is widely used dye. It is stain tissue components such as myelin, elastic, collagenous fiber, muscle striations and mitochondria, etc. But it most common application it as nuclear dye. Common application in nuclear dye in a standard H and E, hematoxylin and eosin. Hematoxylin and eosin staining. The primary staining method for tissue section analysis. So hematoxylin we are using for tissue section analysis. Hematoxylin is extracted from where it is extracted from heartwood of the trees. Hematoxylon campesинum. So it extracted from heartwood of the tree Hematoxylon campesинum. Next, formation of hematidin. Hematidin is produced in two ways. This one produced in two ways. First one is natural, another one is chemical. So natural oxidation or ripening method, that formation will happen. This one occur by exposure to light and air. So natural oxidation occur exposure of light and air. This may be take up to 3 to 4 months. Example, Delaphids and Ehrlich hematoxylin. So formation of hematoxylin in two way. First one is natural way. By using light and air, that ripening process will occur. It takes 3 to 4 months. Example, Delafeld and Ehrlich hematoxylin. Second method, chemical oxidation method. Use of chemical accident significantly quicken the oxidizing process. So chemical oxidant, use of chemical accident, this one oxidizing process but does not carry a risk of developing ineffective reaction product and may also produce a solution with a shorter shelf life than the natural ripening dye. So this one may producing a solution with a shorter shelf life than natural ripened dye. Advantage of chemical oxidation is that these hematoxylin solution are ready for use. This one is the advantage. What is the advantage? Ready for use. The chemical agent are using various agent can be used accident including potassium permanganate, iodine, sodium iodate, potassium periodate, sodium periodate, potassium periodate, hydrogen periodate or mercuric oxide. So these are the chemical agent. Potassium permanganate, iodine, sodium iodate, sodium periodate, potassium periodate, hydrogen periodate and mercuric oxide that are using as a chemical agent. Of the more common formulation, what are the more common formulation? Meyers and Ehrlich utilized sodium iodate, whereas Harris preparation relies upon both vigorous boiling and additions of mercuric oxide to generate hematidin. So more common formulation, Meyers and Ehrlich utilized sodium iodate, whereas Harris preparation relies upon vigorous both boiling and addition of mercuric oxide generate hematadine. Next classification. This now classification of hemataxylin can be classified based on the mordant used, which are given below. So based on that mordant, what is mordant? Inorganic oxide that combine dye or stain. So modern means inorganic oxide. This one will combine with a dye or stain. So here what are the hemataxylin? We have first one is alum hemataxylin. This one here, that inorganic component, inorganic oxide, that modern aluminium, that is potash alum. Example, Meyer hemataxylin, then Harris hemataxylin, etc. Second one is iron hemataxylin. Here modern iron ferric chloride. Example, white iron hemataxylin, Heidenhain hemataxylin, Verhoef hemataxylin. Then third one is tungsten hemataxylin. Here modern tungsten. Example, Mallory PTAH. So first one is alum, second one is iron, third one is tungsten. Fourth one is molybdenum hemataxylin. Here modern molybdenum, that is phosphomolybic acid. Example, phosphomolybic acid hemataxylin stain. Then lead hemataxylin, here modern lead. Example, Zalzia. Last one is hematoxylin without modern. Example, Mallory. So these are the classification: molybdenum, lead and hematoxylin. So in this video discussed hematoxylin. What are the formation? What is the natural way? What is the chemical? Then classification: 6 type: alum, iron, tungsten, molybdenum, lead and hematoxylin. Thanks for watching.